that sandwich was banging.
It was really good.
I have no idea what I actually ate, but it was really good.
There's a button on the side of my chair which says side to side or up and down, and I don't know what the side to side is.
I don't know what the side to side is either. I know.
I'm not going side to side.
That is a shame.
So we're in McDonald's, you know, where you find all the travellers of the world, proper backpackers now, they go in McDonald's.
Except I have a shoulder bag, but you know.
Whatever. So we just found out that before we go, we've been taking turns napping on each bus. So I was the last one to nap, so I'm slowly sulking around. It is very cold.
I'm gonna go buy a coat.
I have to put on my jumper. We've got a photo thing booked at 12, and I wanted to wear this for the photo thing, but this
It's fine, you can take your jumper off for it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I'm just gonna buy a nice
So yeah, the time right now is 9:45, and we're actually very glad that we didn't come any earlier because nothing is open. Nothing is open.
Other than McDonald's.
Island, what are you doing? Get your things open earlier. Come on. Some of us got day trips to do. You know what I mean? Made it safer.
Stop one of the days, the National Museum of Ireland. Yeah. It's also the first stairs. Yep, yeah, it is. I've already announced that. It's the first set of stairs.
No, it's the second.
Oh, it's the second set of stairs that we've encountered all day. We realise it's bad doing it at the beginning of the day because we're going to die. Ooh. Are you studying Irish art, you babs? Look how cool.
You need an appointment.
Oh, when? Do you have one?
Yes.
Oh, when is it?
Tomorrow.
Oh,
It's Thursday.
I think I'm in Cumbraen tomorrow. I hate to break it to you. Oh my god. This building's quite cool. Out of breath already. Alright then, love. We're in a park
With an umbrella.
with an umbrella. Ow.
You silly.
I just whacked my head on. But yeah, apparently there's some of the best food markets in Dublin.
Apparently. I don't know if it's open.
I don't see anything yet, but we're hunting for it. I do see little tents. Tents is always a good sign in my heart. So the food market was closed, and my hay fever's gonna go crazy. But it's alright because he's throwing grass at me because it's very pretty. So it's alright. I love you. I love you too, babe. Woohoo. She's put me in charge of the umbrella, which is never good because I can't lift my arms very high at the minute.
And because I'm tall, so this happens.
It's brilliant. I was like, what did you say? No, babe, I can't see you. Where have you gone now, huh? It's raining, it's pouring. old leprechaun is snoring. I don't know. So we're just about to get an Uber. Yeah, we are those people. Because it's a 20-minute walk to the Guinness factory thing, right? In the rain. And it's like, well, we're going to spend the rest of the day in the rain, so we're not going to do 21 minutes in the rain. And then after the Guinness, it is Temple Bar. And then gift shops, the photo thing.
And the other thing, the castle.
Ah, yeah. Oh, we might get an Uber to that too. Maybe. Alright, let's go. So, we didn't go into the Guinness thing because the tour wasn't for like another half an hour. So we were like, oh, we'll take some photos around it. No, we'll have no. Go to the gift shop. The gift shop was inside the Guinness thing, so we couldn't go to the gift shop. You know what? That's alright. Then we tried to get 2 Ubers. They both cancelled on us. Had us walk about 20 minutes for one of them, and then cancelled on us. I've received half of my money back. I'm getting run over by bicycles. But now we are walking to Temple Bar, which is about 27 minutes. Woo!
Hang on.
What flavour is this one?
Kinder Bueno.
Oh, that's what I got.
The top one was brownie, this one's Kinder.
Oh wow, that one's good. I got Kinder Bueno crepe. Life's good. This place, by the way, is absolutely stunning. And we're right opposite Temple Bar. Look how pretty she is, though. Yeah, it's too full.
Florence, Italy. Florence, Italy. I hear Spain. Fantastic.
We're on our way to dinner, and we're doing a bit of shopping because, you know, why not? Like, I'm totally gonna buy this long ass frog. How much is he? He's £3. Jesus. I'm starting to flag. I'm starting to flag. We've worked it out. I've managed to sleep a total of an hour and 42 because I didn't sleep last night, and then I got about 20 minutes on the aeroplane. Hello, Babs. Hi. And then I got pretty much the entire transfer in me, which was... Oh no, the other way around. I stopped the entire plane in about 40 minutes. You know what, I'm so tired I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Basically. We can get some stickers. But yeah. to flag. It's not fun. But I'll push through. I can push through. So we just had, what was the place that we had called? It's on your cup.
Shake Dog.
Shake Dog. It was very nice. I rate it. If you're in Ireland and you want a hot dog, go and check out Shake Dog. But now we got this to share. Aha! Yeah! I am flagging so hard. But I'm getting tired. Yeah. Anyway. We got 1 hour left. That's quite cool. So, the end of our first day trip. How are you feeling?
Sad.
Aww.
But also my feet are killing me.
Literally, my feet's on fire. So we're currently sat on a very small wall because we've actually run out of things to do. We've done it all. We did everything. We did everything that we had on our to-do list before we came out. We absolutely smashed it. And we did even a few bits extra. And now we have like...
And we've been shopping.
Yeah, we went shopping for like an hour and a half. But we're getting picked up at 20 to 7. And it's 8:15 at 6. Quarter past 8. So yeah, we're just chilling on a wall, listening to a singer, and watching the world go by. And our bus stop is literally right there. So yes, right there. That's our bus stop. Up your nostrils. But yeah, see you at the airport. And we're at the airport. Just like that. What magic. Stand on one side just in case somebody wants to walk past. I know he's like, let's just finish it, please.
I do video was getting on and on. I know, but you weren't doing it.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
yeah,
I'm gonna go first. Bye, Babs. Oh, I don't like these. They're strange.